If I wanted to guarantee the most amount of mistakes and issues possible, it's really very simple. What you really have to do is be really, really stressed and really, really rush everything and just put yourself under tons of pressure and refuse to take any breaks to calm yourself down and breathe properly. If you do that, don't you even worry. You're going to be making so many mistakes. You're going to increase your stress so much. You're going to have the worst time because you're already feeling so bad. 100%. If you want to just screw everything up more, just keep stressing out. You got this. Do not take any slow, deep breaths. Don't take a break. Do not, by any means, just like sit down and breathe for a few minutes. Are you crazy? That you might get you some control back. What kind of that? And you might not make huge, egregious errors. All right, you get the point. Slow down, breathe. Yes, you know what to do. I'll stop being facetious. See you in the next video.